is a tractor show at the fairgrounds. That's an oldie. It's a Ford. Not sure what that thing is, but it's there. I have to get this sign in there because that's my maiden name there. Not as if it's important or anything. It's my gang. That one there says it's a 1947. Well, look at all these tractors in this place. Wowzers. Guess people must like tractors. Case. Wow, look at that one. Huh. You got a plow on that one there. That's pretty cool. I guess that's what that is. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's a 1938 it says. Wow. That one's a 1938. I'm thinking about you, Farmall Fanatic, as I'm sitting here looking at these tractors. There's another one.
How you doing?
Hi. Wow, it's nothing. Wow, 1928. These little babies. And then there's the truck. I missed the tractors. That thing's a little noisy. I need to get in front of him so I can see the tractors instead of him. There you go, Farmall. Look at all these over here. Wow, look at those. How about those some Farmalls? Oh, 1939. Wow. Another Ford, yep. I wonder what year that is. I'll give them a look. This is a Ford Sun behind here. That blue one. Massey Ferguson. Oh yeah, the blue one's a 59.
It's a Ford.
Oh, it doesn't say the year. It just says Ford 961 is all it says on it.
Ford.
I don't even think I even got the... There's another Ford. Oh yeah. I'm too far in now, I can't. That one's a 1955 Ford. I never even knew Ford made tractors. Huh? Oh yeah, those are all Fords, aren't they? Wow. Huh, all the way down through there, Fords. There's some Farmalls back there. Wow. I gotta go back here and look at this one back here. Look at this old one here. Or at least it looks old. Wow. That's a cool looking oldie there. There's International. I got some Fords. Wonder what year this thing here is. I don't see a tag on that, do you? He looks old. Yeah, there's a, look at that Ford down there. This is a 72. Wow, look at that one. 79. Wow. 1950. That's a 58 there on the end. It looks I guess those people probably painted that one. That's why it looks so nice. some of these in here and get some John Deeres. Yeah, they have a John Deere Triumph. Reminds me of our motorcycle. Gotta be fair and get some of the green ones in here. There's a lot more green ones out here in John Deere than there is anything, really. Oh, look at this thing. Huh. It's pretty nice, whatever it is. Alright, everybody, I'm a city girl. I don't know these tractors other than the names on them.
These are young birds? No way. How old are these birds?
They just got them in the spring.
Well, how old are they?
Well, they're about 4 months old. They should start laying here before too long.
I can
Taking a nap.
Don't have a name.
Those ones do.
Yeah, those do.
What's the names of those
The
ones?
little one is called Tank, and the big one is Turbo.
Tank and Turbo.
Are those the only 2 pigs you have right now?
No, we got 4 other ones.
Are they babies?
Oh,
I'll get a picture of the sign. Fairfield County Antique Tractor Club.
Yeah, because I'm going to get these other people behind you.
Alrighty, everybody. I just thought maybe I'd take a few pictures of some tractors. That's the tractor show.
I was going to get this.
One of them in here. I'll take a picture of this sign here. It's Ohio Historical Marker. Camp Anderson. Oh, is that an ice cream maker there? Oh, cool. Yeah, ice cream maker in there. That's cool. Here we are at these noisy things I heard back there. Huh. Oh, cool. I just thought I'd show you a few tractors. And I'm going to depart my video now. I hope everybody has an awesome day. Make sure you subscribe and like my video. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Oh.